Go.
I am Harold, and this is my friend Henry.
I'm Henry.
He has to be my bestest friend in the whole world. So, Henry, what are we going to do today?
Well, Harold, I was thinking we should do a Cheerio-Eating contest.
Oh my goodness, that's the best thing I've ever done.
I know, I've done it twice. And once, I was doing it in my pajamas.
That makes it twice as good.
Twice.
Let's see how our mad skills are.
Okay, Harold, you go first.
Me first.
Okay, okay, I'll watch. You missed. My turn. I got that one, Harold.
Dang it! I want one.
Is it my turn? You missed that.
I missed it.
You missed it. My turn. Oh, I missed mine too. Okay. Well, Harold, please don't die. Okay, Harold, we need to say goodbye. Harold, we need to say goodbye. Say goodbye, Harold. Harold, say goodbye.